Hey, wishers, you're tuned in to Wish 107.5. Welcome back to the Run Show with me, DJ Alice. We are live on board the Wish Bus at the Araneta Coliseum, and we see you, all of the fans outside the Wish 107.5 bus. So without further ado, let's welcome for their Wish Bus debut, New In. Hi, everyone!
Thanks for being here, so thanks for having us.
Of course, you can introduce yourself one time and go for it.
Okay, so start muna ka. 3, 2, start anew! What's up? This is UE! Hi, my name is Adam. My name is Tom. I'm the dancer.
Nice to meet you. Thank you so much for joining us today. I know you're all very excited to be on the Wish Bus. And it's been an exciting week as finally nag-debut na kayo after a year of training and doing it. So how does it feel that finally you're out in the world and you can share your music?
After a year of experience, hindi nakakita rin kami ng maraming tao. Kasi usually kami lima lang po yung pagkakasama. So, it's a blessing.
Of course, and I bet you never really expected this because after dreaming you thought that was even on the road already. So maybe tell us more about that dreaming.
Gusto, kasi ayun ko sa mga
True that. So, di ba, alam naman ng lahat that P-pop is all the rage recently. Maraming mga P-pop groups that are popping up here and there. But what makes New In different? What differently do you have?
Hey, so we were trained to do various many things po actually. That's why we were named Newey. Kasi Newey stands for New Identity. That means every comeback, every release, magkakaroon ng new identity. So, watch out for a new identity in the future.
Iba-iba na pala. But for this current comeback, so for this debut, ano ba yung current identity? Dark. Mga mysterious, gano'n.
Kung maririnig niyo po, it kind of sounds more second generation hip-hop.
Ooh.
With a spice of Filipino flavor.
And so definitely going to be perfect for our wishers who love both.
Yes.
Diba? So for all of your fans who are young, so ano bang aabangan nila when it comes to this week?
Okay, for Newey, ang fans ay maasahan yung marami kaming wall shows in the future. Marami ding big events na naka-line up for us. Hindi pa rin po namin pwede i-disclose sa public. And yeah, magkakaroon po kami ng mga new songs, new releases, and music videos. Pero hindi pa po namin sasabihin kung kailan. So stay tuned for our new release.
Exciting times, and syempre before they look forward to the future, let's enjoy the present muna. So to know this mysterious identity, we have to hear this first song. So without further ado, here is New In with Ghost on Wish 107.5.
Ghost.